So the future of Meyers is staying at the forefront of technology, staying at the forefront of sustainability, and staying at the forefront of consumer experiences so that the brands and retailers we work with are getting what they really want, and it's delivering that beautiful customer experience, right? And doing it with great integrity. Integrity for our clients and integrity for our team here. I'm Michael Dillon. I'm the Director of Marketing at Meyers. Most of my time is spent helping make sure that we're showing off all the awesome work that our clients do here and showing off how that impacts their brand. So our headquarters here at Meyers is a 250,000 square foot facility just outside Minneapolis, Minnesota. And we're serving clients from coast to coast. One of the things that Meyers does better than anywhere else is brand consistency and color match. You know, when people come to us and they have things that are rolling off again, especially across multiple product lines, they're going to come out with a ridiculously meticulous level of brand consistency and color match. And we have a real competitive advantage there.
I'm Noel Tocci. I'm owner and founder of Tocci Made. We call it a bespoke printing consultant. What it really means is I use my 40 years of making mistakes in printing to help people make beautiful things. Bearsville soap is interesting. They have 19 different fragrances of soap. It's just like a rugged, looks like it's cut with a sauce, rectangle bar of soap. They were in a craft box, which the idea was, sustainable, woods. But they wanted to upgrade their brand, so they wanted to go on a different substrate, and then they wanted to use a different color for every fragrance. And I remembered, I go, oh, Meyers, these guys can do this. I called, and the rest is history.
So sometimes as a brand, the challenge is, you know you care a lot about sustainability, but can you get the transparency through your supply chain to know that you're truly delivering it? And that's a big thing that we're helping a lot of our clients with, by getting them sustainably sourced materials with a chain of custody that gives them the proof and the transparency on it, and it's getting produced in a facility with third-party audits. It's being proven that you're living up to those commitments that you've always really deeply believed in. So one of the coolest things that we've started doing is the coordination across the product types. So if you make a really beautiful high-end package, you need an equally beautiful high-end label. And these presses here have been instrumental in that, in particular the pairing of that Domino inkjet system with that MPS Flexo. We can run folding cartons and labels on that same press, and it's an amazing thing for that brand consistency across those products. And the cost efficiencies there mean that you can let your creativity run wild as a brand. It's a heck of a combo.
Because this is part of why your press was a serious part of why they came to us. What they used to have, they looked like this, but they were brown craft paperboard. And when they came to us, they thought they had to choose between something that was sustainable and something that communicated the flavors, so to speak, of their soaps. And what we showed them was by using the MPS Domino hybrid press, because we could use the Domino inkjet system, we weren't going to have a bunch of waste during make ready. So we actually met all of their sustainability goals while giving them a level of brand communication that they didn't think they could get while being sustainable. We have no other way to deliver that except on this press.
Really good work lives at the intersection of really great materials, great design, and really thoughtfully well executed and curated execution. So that tells me something, the way they pick their equipment, the way they think it through. And again, that plays to the partnership. They're doing their homework and they're getting everything in here is the best of the best and fits what they're trying to do. And it's been a wonderful experience.
With this hybrid press and the Domino inkjet system on it, we're able to allow our customers to get really creative with the number of different types of products they're running through there and still have it come out with perfect brand consistency. At the end of that, we're pairing it up with processes that we've specially built here, software that we've specially built here, and allowing us to get it all packed up and shipped out to thousands of retail locations, beautifully produced the first time, every time. That's a pretty fun, exciting thing.